Hi everyone, I'm gonna show you how to make beef stock today. Beef stocks are very important when you make soups, especially with the beef or lamb. And beef and lamb stocks is very similar to each other. So what I'm gonna show you today, how to make the great beef stock. Very different than the chicken stock because beef stock usually go to the oven. So what I'm gonna show you now, I'm gonna give sizzling a little bit and then we're gonna take to the oven for like a half an hour. We'll be starting making stock. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel and turn all notifications on. Thank you. Now, usually when you have the beef stock, you get from the bones, fat, all meat, if you can get some meat. So they all give different tastes. We're gonna give a little bit sizzling. Why I'm doing this, because when you fry it, just for like even 20 seconds, the muscles close in, so the juice and blood stays in the muscles and bones. And we'll take it to the oven, keep it for like half an hour. It's gonna be ready for actual beef stock preparing process. That's it. Now it's ready to go. We are back to garden now. After that, it's pretty straightforward. We got all the bones, meats, and fats ready to go. And I got a little bit larger pot today to have large amount of beef stock. First thing, bones and meat goes in. It's still hot, so just don't spill it, you know, you can burn yourself. After that is a mirepoix. Mirepoix means onion, carrot, and celery. We'll cut this. It's gonna go in. Spring onions, just like small amounts. Carrots, you don't have to peel all the way, just as it is, just the carrots. Onion, you don't have to peel it. Keep the skin on. This goes in. The parsley and thyme, just a mix of it. Cloves, just black peppercorns. Yes, and very last garlic. Keep the skin on, and bay leaves. Probably you heard about it before. Goes with any stock. Great. Last thing is water. Fill it up. Additional water. Filled up the top. That's it. Now we are going to bring up to the boil. It's a cold water. Always start with cold water. Bring up to the boil, and then as soon as it's starting bubbling, boiling, drop to the simmer and keep it for a long time. It takes a very long time. Beef stock takes longer than the chicken, so usually it takes like from 6 hours to 8 hours. But if you make it at home, maybe just like 4 hours. In the hotels I used to work, we did it for 12 hours. But if you have that much time and passion, just keep it for 12 hours. All up to you. Now it's been like 6 hours. Look at this, it's getting darker now. I'm gonna finish it quickly. Let's have a closer look. We're gonna take the fats out from our mixture. We don't need those ones. this. There's a fat swimming on top of the chicken stock. Take this one off. And get the... Now the main part of it, I'm gonna transfer the liquid and separate from the bones and other ingredients. See? Slowly. Beautiful smell. So nice smell. It's gonna be great beef stock. And I'm gonna transfer the stock into the jug. Exactly what I want. Great. Look at this. It's more than 2 liters. I'll get a little bit more here, but the jug is just too full. So it's gonna be enough for me. You can keep this one for 4 days in fridge, or you can freeze it. So all up to you. You might use for the soups or some other dishes you're gonna make for dinner. Please subscribe my channel, so I'm gonna be with you every week with new video. Thank you.